see the concrete work ongoing. We don't miss so much because when you miss so much, it's going to lose strength. So you can see two bars. This is the way of concrete. When a part is being leased, we are turning the rest to if you can miss like the machine. The machine don't miss all at once and be waiting for it to be losing strength. That is the differences between machine and hand. So it's ongoing, that's the machine missing. They are missing 2 bars per mix. So as they are setting here, before they finish, another 2 is ready. You see the concrete work ongoing. It's mesh, the places, the step downs and all. We are casting now. As you can see, everything is ongoing well. So we spread ourselves into it. Some are fetching, some are mixing, and on we go. Yes. This is the foundation. So you can now see the foundation is taking shape. From the other side, then the staircase inside. Because of the sloping area, this is nature of the place. You can see the staircase in there. Then it climbs to the top. So you can only feel the drop when you are entering into this apartment. But at the top it will take shape. So you can see this apartment have its own flat level now. I'm going to take steps from this. Which one side is a storeroom and the other side to here becomes another store. So in between the division is where you are having the store. So you won't see anything when you are inside. That is how it's going to
Good evening, morning, or afternoon. Welcome back to the Hill Project. And my name is G.P.G. And today we are at the concrete casting of the foundation of the Hill Project. So we will be learning about concrete mixing when it comes to mixing your sand, your cement, and then the water, the ratio. We'll look at that. So can you please do like this video and subscribe to the channel?
Nobody about it.
So if you've been following this project, I always do mention it is on a hill, and getting building materials on site has been a challenge. So before, we used to have a space at the back where the guys are working now. That's where we try to, bring some of the materials on site, but now we've used the space, so we have limited space to bring the concrete mixture to come and do the concrete mixing for us. So that means we have to use our hands to, or we have to use manpower to cast this foundation. But to get a concrete mixture to this site, meaning we have to hire a backhoe to bring the machine on site, because there's no way they can push the concrete mixture, or a normal truck will bring it on site. And that will also cost us almost around 1,000 Ghana cedis, just bringing it on site and taking it back. And moreover, to the space that we have is no more available, because we've used, we've leveled the whole place and we've used it for the foundation. So we don't have any more space on the land. That's why you see the apartment to be that big, because it's on one plot, but we use most of the land for it. Just a little bit space you can see at the back, which will be like a emergency exit or a back entrance, and then the main entrance is at the front, where we have the car park, which is the basement we're going to use for the car park. So that is the planning. And to appreciate the job being done here, you really have to see how we started with this project. When we started, it was like a slopy land, and the beginning was abandoned, for so many years. And we went there to check. I remember being there myself when I was in Ghana early this year. I saw the project, and yeah, and just looking at how it looks now, everything looks flat, leveled, as if we are at the second level, at the second floor building, which actually looks like the ground floor. It's really amazing what the contractor
You
has
can
done.
see how this is getting to an end of it. Water is being poured into the new one. So don't stay for more than 7 minutes. No, all got to finish under 7 minutes. The song will use large quantity and it will be there. So with time, the strength is growing. Because our setting time of 45 minutes. So after that, any water you put in, then meaning the strength is being lost. As this is getting ready, the old one is getting finished from the floor. So it's also forcing the people bringing it to come faster. That is how it goes.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Yes, we are on it. Almost. Let's let with this fill this side is one bedroom, a WC, and then the second room, and then the third room with each WC and closet. We've already finished with the Martin here. So let's play with this side, the other side, and finish. So by all means tomorrow we complete the concrete casting.
So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel. Next episode, I'll show you how it looks the next day when it's getting dry. And I think we're going for the block laying next, which is going to be 5,000 blocks for the ground floor. I'll say the ground floor. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please like the video, share to someone that it may be helpful to, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.